The Ontario NDP are calling Minister Greg Rickford to be removed from his post as Minister of Indigenous Affairs. New Democrat leader Andrea Horwath held a news conference this morning with residential school survivors. They say they don't feel comfortable with the Kenora MPP having a lead role in the search of former residential school burial grounds due to his past.
He is Indian Agent 2.0.
The distrust of Rickford stems from his time as a lawyer with a Kenora firm, which signed a federal settlement on behalf of residential school survivors back in the early 2000s. Some of those survivors claimed another lawyer with the firm improperly directed money from the settlement. However, a Law Society probe into the allegations was withdrawn. Indigenous Affairs critic Saul Mamakwa, who attended a residential school himself, says he can't understand how Rickford can remain in his current position with the previous allegations by other survivors.
Every time we hear Mr. Rickford talk about residential schools, the search for our missing children, or the crimes of the past, we are re-traumatized.
There's a lot of mistrust there in terms of what happened involving the Law Society. And so how can we trust an individual when we know that there's unfinished business?
Rickford has not responded to the call for his removal, but the Premier's office released a statement today. Spokesperson Ivana Yelich says Minister Rickford was decades removed from the events that were complained about. Every single allegation against the member of this law firm was withdrawn or dismissed. Any interferences to the minister and these allegations are completely false.